morning, guys. All good in the hood? We're going to be cooking a fantastic thing which is called the Cancerian, yani ke crab curry. Not crab curry, just a stir-fried crab. Black pepper, soya sauce, a little bit of ketchup manis, oyster sauce. So it's a very kind of Indo-Asian, that kind of scene happening. The whole थोड़े से curry leaves है, ginger है, garlic है, Indonesian soya sauce है, oyster sauce है, थोड़ा सा sugar है, butter है, तो चलो बना दे एक crab. So first things first, we're going to first very quickly blanch the crab or just stir fry the crab so that it gets a nice seared. Then we take it out, we make the sauce and put the crab in. Voila! I'm going to be just frying these. To this, I'm going to be adding a little bit of ginger, some whole cloves of garlic, just to kind of give a nice flavor to my sauce. So we're going to be adding a little bit of salt. Now, what are we doing here? We are not cooking the crab, no. We are just searing the crab, okay? Giving this a little shake. And as you can see, it starts changing in color, okay? Beautiful. Changes color. Giving a little sear. Beautiful. Nice. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So we're going to put these right here. Beautiful, look at that. Nice. Next, curry leaves. Beautiful. A little more ginger. A little more garlic. Beautiful. A few chilies here. Lovely. Giving this a little mix. Some sliced onions here. Beautiful. Giving this a little mix. I have a little bit of black pepper here. Quite a lot of black pepper, okay? So this is, as you can say, it is a pepper chili crab. Next to that, I have a little bit of soya sauce going in here. A little bit of oyster sauce, okay? And then I also have a thing called Ketchup Manis, which is a sweet soya sauce, okay? So as I mentioned to you, this is kind of a whole fusion kind of scene happening here. Beautiful. Next, we're going to be adding just a little bit of water, okay? Giving this a little mix. I'm going to be putting all the crab back in here, and about 7 to 8 minutes, you're going to have some amazing crabs here. Now, let's cover this and let it steam for about 5 to 7 minutes, and our crab is beautifully cooked. Beautiful. Okay, so it's time to present this lovely crab. Then we have this lovely, almost like a chili and black pepper butter, which is going on here, okay? I would love to eat this with rice, with fried rice, with ladi pav. Oh, this would be amazing even with actually a lovely French baguette or a lovely piece of sourdough bread. And of course, chawal to banta hi hai. Outstanding. Okay, so it's got a really nice mixture of the entire South Indian to the whole Pan-Asian vibe going on. You've got soya sauce, you've got sweet soya sauce, which is called Ketchup Manis from Indonesia. You have curry leaves, you have ginger, you have garlic, you have these little Thai bird's eye chilies going on. So there is lots going on here, okay? I hope you love this recipe. Presenting the black pepper chili crab.